Well, good evening, boys and girls. How are you? Oh, boy, look at you all out there. Hello, hello, hello. My name is Pepe Le Pew. Pepe Le Pew's wife, actually. I like to go by Pepe Le Pew, but I'm actually Pepe Le Pew's wife. Pepe is right here, but he's not in the mood for talking right now. He says maybe later he'll come on and talk to the folks. So how is everybody doing today? Oh boy, I just went to the beauty shop today and I got my hair done. Do you like my hair? I got it all fixed and it's so pretty. I love the green color, but my husband don't like it. He prefers me not having hair green. But I thought it was very pretty. Do you like it? So, how is everybody doing today? This fine afternoon. What are you doing, What are you doing, huh? You're in here? Oh, look at all the people out there. What are you doing talking to everybody? I like to talk to people, Pepe. Can I talk to people, Pepe? Well, are they talking to you? Do they talk to you? I don't hear nobody. Where is everybody? I'm not hearing them. Oh. Yes, they talk to me. We might not hear them, but they talking to me. Well, how do you know they talk to you? Because I just know that they do, because they like me and they love my green hair. I hate that hair. What did you get it done for? Huh? I don't like green hair. It looks gross. I think it's pretty, Pepe. Alice, I don't know what's gotten into you lately wanting green hair. Well, I like it better than the regular black hair. You always have your hair the same way. Black, black, black. I wanted something different. What's wrong with my hair? I don't see anything wrong with my hair. I never said there's anything wrong with it, just boring. It's always the same. Green or black, black, black. I wanted green, green, green. Well, okay. Can we sing for the boys and the girls? Yes, let's sing. Jesus loves the little children. Oh, the children of the world. Red and yellow, black and white. They are precious in His sight. Jesus loves the little children of the world. Bye-bye, boys and girls. Bye-bye. See you later. Oh, I don't know why he don't like my hair. I hope you like it.